This video is going to get you ready to do 6th grade language arts IXL A.1, which is commas with series, dates, and places. Let's start with series. So when you have a series, which is 3 or more things, kind of a list of things, you need commas separating them. I always think if I have 3 things, I need 2 commas. If I have 4 things in my list, I need 3 commas. You always need one less comma than the number of things you have in your series. So let's look at this first sentence. It says red, white, and blue are the colors of the American flag. I have red, white, and blue. I have 3 things, so I'm going to need 2 commas. Red, separate that from the second thing, white, and then I separate this from and then I have blue. So red, comma, white, comma, and blue are the colors of the American flag. Let's go to dates. When you're dealing with dates, you need commas. And you need a comma to separate the day from the year and the year from the rest of the sentence. So in this first one, January 1, 2001 was the first day of this century. So you're going to want to separate 1 from 2001 and 2001 from the rest of the sentence. So it reads, January 1st, 2001 was the first day of this century. Now, you only need a comma there because it's in the middle of the sentence. This next one, it's at the end, so you don't need one after the year. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, comma, 1869, and you have a period there. Okay, so you need to use dates, commas with dates. Last comma issue is with places. Now you always need a comma to separate the city and the state, or the state and the country, and then after it you also need one. So Chicago, Illinois is known as the Windy City. Chicago, you got to separate Chicago from Illinois, and then Illinois, you need a comma after that too. You always put the comma after the state or the country to separate it. So it reads like this. Chicago, Illinois is known as the Windy City. Now you wouldn't need this one if it's at the end of the sentence, of course. Number 5, we've just booked our flight to Athens, comma, Greece. And we don't need one after Greece because there's a period. Okay. So this hopefully little review get you ready for IXL 8.1 in the 6th grade language arts. Go ahead, let me know if you have any questions.